Hey y'all, so for my restaurant creation, I created a food truck and it's going to be a taco truck and it's called the Walk-In Taco and our slogan is Eat Well, Live Well. And the reason for this is because we're going to cater towards helping with food insecurity in Watauga County, and most of our funds will go towards helping community health organizations or whatever organizations helping fight this. So we're gonna help raise money for that through our taco truck, and then it's gonna be located at the gas station across from the health science building to give students another food option as well as those working at the hospital. So that's going to be a good option for them. And then so the types of tacos that we're going to have chicken, beef, fish, chorizo, barbecue, and then for most of our toppings, they're going to be from local farmers. So locally sourced foods from just some local farmers, and so we can help support them and also have a more sustainable food option. So we can add those toppings on top of our tacos.